Hey, what's up, Tech fam? Welcome back to Multi Technology. Are you trying to launch your website or migrate to a faster host? You have probably seen Hostinger's amazing Black Friday deals, like this massive 85% off sale. That's already great, right? But what if I told you could stack up discounts to get an even crazier deal? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ultimate discount stacking method using the standard Black Friday sale, an extra referral discount, and a powerful cashback platform. We're going to take the price for 4 years of business hosting from over $132 down to an absolute steal. First things first, securing that initial Black Friday price. Click choose plan and make sure you select the longest term, the 48 months option. As you can see, this gives you the maximum 85% off, bringing the upfront cost of $132. Now don't hit continue just yet. We are about to make this deal even sweeter. I have already a referral link. I will put in the description. You can check it here. You need to open a tab and paste the referral link in, or simply click on my given link from the description. Once the Hostinger page loads, you will see the banner confirming you have been invited and will get an extra 20% discount at the checkout. Let's quickly select the business plans again in the new discounted window. Look at that. The total has dropped from $132 to just $105.60. So that's an instant $26.40 savings just by using a referral link. This is the first win. Okay, the final most powerful step is stacking on the cashback. We are going to use a trusted cashback site like TopCashback, which at the time of recording is offering a massive up to 60% cashback for new hosting purchase. Go to TopCashback, search for Hostinger, click through the link to ensure your visit is recorded. You will get an confirming pop-up like this. We have recorded your visit. Now go back to your Hostinger cart with the referral discount applied. Hit continue and finish your registration. The price you pay upfront is $105.60, but here is the magic that cashback will be a percent of this paid amount. Later deposited directly into your TopCashback account. With a potential cashback of around 60%, you are looking at roughly an additional $63 back in your pocket. Initial price $132. Price after referral discount $105.60. Final cost after cashback $42.60 for 4 years of business hosting. This is ridiculously low price for 4 years of powerful web hosting. Don't forget to check the video description for the all links and details you need. Please smash the like button, subscribe to Multi Technology for more tech tips and tutorials.